We're gonna make Oreo blasts!
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me?
Are you ready, chefs?
Baby, you make me feel like I'm in cloud nine.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Aika Legaspi. Welcome back to my channel. So today, I am gonna cook for you guys kasi may nag-comment na naman. Thank you talaga sa lahat ng comments. And yung isa sa comments na nakita ko ay, Lods, paluto naman po ng something na gusto mo kainin talaga. Something like that. I'll just show you the comment right here. And, ang lulutuin ko naman talaga, hindi naman kasi ako masyado marunong magluto, sir. I mean, te, or girly. Hindi naman kasi talaga ako cook, or chef, or master. Master! Call me master. So guys, dahil hindi ako masyado magaling magluto, or like, I don't really know what I'm doing, but my mom has taught us and has passed this on from generations to generations. Oh, ang feeling ka lang may anak na ako. So, yung mommy ko, nagluto siya lagi ng Oreo blasts. It's Oreo in some kind of pancake mixture. So, I'm gonna show you how it's done. Kasi, Oreos are really one of my comfort food, especially when I'm on my period. So, yeah, let's just be real here. Oh, let's just be real. But then, instead of licking, dunking, and Kobe, paras, instead of twisting, licking, and dunking, there's also some other thing I'd like to do about it. So, let's get it on to the kitchen. We're gonna make Oreo blasts! Dear child. Kala mo talaga. But then, dahil hindi ako masyado marunong magluto, there's only 4 ingredients. Meron tayong ditong Oreo, flour, mali pa, shucks. Quick and easy Maya pancake mix, oil, and water. And Maya, baka na.
I've been lonely lately.
So, are you ready, chefs? Yes, chef. Okay, so muna natin gagawin ay Lord. Okay, so the dry ingredients come first. So, syempre, bubuksan na natin ang Maya Quick and Easy Pancake Mix. Ito, hindi na kailangan ng mga egg, mga ganon, kasi may egg na siya sa loob. So, get it on, girl! Let's cook it! Okay. So, I'm gonna be opening it. Kaya today. Okay. We can do this, girl. Okay, so since the dry ingredients are first, we're gonna use 250 grams of the pancake mix. So, isa lang yung kukunin nyo kasi dalawa yung ganito sa loob ng box. Baka magdalawa kayo. Isa-isa lang, So, bubuksan natin siya. Okay, so let's cut the first packet. Come a little closer to me. Let's get this bowl. And our mixture. Mixer. Tapos lalagyan na natin. Pasok! Kailangan malinis tayo guys sa mga gamit natin. So, lalagay lang natin siya dyan. Tapos mamaya tapon natin kasi meron pa dyan extra, di ba? So, ayan. And then here, we have 3/4 cup of water.
I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me.
Okay, now we're gonna go on to the mixing. Mix me, baby.
On the same page, tonight can we stay?
Say, ikaw lang wala nang iba pa. So guys, comment down below kung anong gusto niyo lutuin ko para ma-challenge naman ako, diba? So, kayo na bahala sa akin. Kahit ano, gagawin ko para sa inyo. Okay guys, we're done with the mixing. And sabi ko sa inyo, ang bilis lang talaga na ng process na to. Tapos, Tapos, it depends on you kung gusto nyo kung flavored ba or just the original. But me, I like to stick with the original. So, kukunin na natin yung Oreos natin. And, are you ready for this part? You're just gonna pop it off, stop, drop, and roll. Ooh! Do it like a pro. Come on, everyone stand up. Stand up. Dance session pala to eh, no? So stand up, everyone. Go. Stop, A, drop, and roll. A. Do it, A, like a pro. Ooh! Gusto mo yan? Gusto ko yan! Let's go, let's get it.
And why don't you talk to me, let's
Okay,
start.
so since na-drop na natin yung mga Oreos dyan, we have to coat we have to coat the Oreos with the batter lang. So, i-cover nyo lang talaga sila. As in, dapat wala kayong makitang dark spots, dark areas. And also, it's better if you make sure that your Oreos aren't crumpled up or something like that. Dapat bilog na bilog siya or kung medyo kulang or malabnaw yung batter niya, pwede nyo naman siya dagdagan kasi diba, dalawa yung packages doon sa loob. Care package yan or now na na-coat na natin siya, we can drop it off inside our pan full of oil. Canola oil yung gamit namin para naman medyo healthy, medyo alam niyo yun, hindi masyadong nakakatsabe. Diba? So, canola oil yung ginagamit na. Oil? Sana oil? Huh? Okay, tara na. Let's go. So, since may oil na yung pan natin, let's turn it up! Okay guys, so it's just the waiting game. The waiting game! Kailangan marunong kasi kayo mag-antay. So, pinapakulo ko lang ng onti yung oil natin and we're ready to drop it in. Okay guys, so behind every chef is a supportive mother. Come on, Mom. Oh, okay. Every shift, kala mo talaga. Waiting! We're still waiting here. Okay, guys. So, quick trivia lang. Hindi naman talaga ako masyado marunong magbukas ng kalan dati. As in, like yung gasol. Hindi ako masyado marunong. So, nung tinuruan ako, actually, nagtutulungan kami ng mga best friend ko magbukas ng gasol at the middle of the night. Kasi, syempre, sabay-sabay kami minsan kumakain. Ano ba? Focus ka ba or hindi? Okay, guys. So, pag naririnig nyo na yung ganon! Pag narinig nyo na yun, it's time. It's time! It's time! So, ayan siya. Mama! Mom! Okay na?
Can we get back on the same page? Tonight can we stay? And why don't you talk to me, let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me, we don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me.
So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Diba? Sobrang dali lang niya. Pag medyo golden na siya, that's when you flip it off. Makikita mo naman eh. Yes! That's a perfect one! Dapat, guys, mag-ingat lang kayo kasi masakit to. Masakit pa sa heartbreak to. Na-try. Ikaw lang wala nang iba pa. Bango! Amoy oil! Wala po lang amoy to. Ang okay ko sa part na yun. Wala masyado. Bantuwa!
Wala ka na pangamoy.
Ay! Huwag ganun! Taktak mo ng slide, balik mo dito. Ano mo yung tong? Tong, it's tayo. Charot. Whoop! Oh yeah guys, kaya pala siya nandito. Para yung excess oil niya, ewan ko kung saan babagsak dito. Pero yung excess oil niya bababa na. So ayun talaga, para hindi masyadong oily yung kinakain natin. So it's plating time! Kasi syempre, mas napapasarap yung kinakain natin kapag maganda yung plating. So, number 1 yan, especially para sa nanay ko. OC na OC yan sa plating. Ito medyo naging crispy na ewan, pero gusto naman ng brothers ko medyo crispy. So, ooh! Pak! My OC self cannot. Oh, hindi naman OC kanta. Whoa! Okay, and guys, this is very optional, pero favorite talaga namin tong powdered sugar. So, ilalagay lang natin siya on top. Grabe yung alog ng ano ko. Today.
Speaking my love language. My love language.
And voila! We're done for our menu. we're done for our merienda, but then first, I'll show you guys my OOTD. So, thank you, Mom, for this very cute beige apron. You guys can buy it in the link down below. And then this cute towel, not for sale. Pero tignan niyo yung back. Ooh! That's the back of the apron. May pa-X, tapos parang may pa, alam niyo na. Tapos parang pwede kang ooh, Cinderella! Girl. O, pre, ano order mo sa bar? Tugstuga na ba? Pero okay, guys. Gagawin na natin ang taste test. Kung masarap talaga yung ginawa ko. Kasi baka linuloko ko lang kayo, di ba? Pero di ba, syempre, makikita niyo siya through the expressions of my face. So, this is how it looks like, guys. Naka-focus kaya? Okay, sana naka-focus, di ba? So, ayan, di ba? Parang sobrang sarap. It's so fun in the house.
Is your love and affection? Won't you give some?
Ang sarap! Girl! Ako ba nagluto nito? Uy, naiyak ako na slide! Ma!
Won't you give some of it to me?
Wait lang guys, ba't ko kinain yung thumbnail? Nagkatama pagkatapos kainin sa sobrang sarap.
Yeah, I need you present.
Nakakaya naman. Parang hindi ako Cinderella.
Off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page. Tonight we can stay.
Or ito na yung part na kakantahan mo na best I ever had. Ay, best I ever had. Best I ever had. So, ayan guys, dito na po nagtatapos ang aking video and papakain ko na to sa family members ko. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to see good in all things. Bye! See you on the next episode of AIKook. Fuck! Gusto mo yung name na yun? Bye-bye.